Actually, the information that we just received is they will not participate in the hearing tomorrow.
Sabi ko
Okay.
sa'yo
So,
Oo,
confirm na.
sabi
Na
We
ko
walang...
just
sa'yo
received a letter from the lawyers
Yes. Ano po sabi?
saying that they will not be participating in the hearing. They're actually questioning the constitutionality of the proceeding.
Yun na naman ang ating ano natin yan, nabolang kristal na natin yan kung Jinky na
It was expected.
magkakaroon ng ganitong
challenge to the
ganitong challenge,
constitutionality.
yes.
So kapag ganun ho ba, Kong Jinky, does that mean that they will again petition the Supreme Court to decide kung meron ho kayong anong tawag dito, karapatan na dinggin pa yung kaso niya?
That is a possibility, no? Maalala mo, Tony, kahit dun sa answer, instead of alleging her defense to the complaint, what they provided in the answer are issues of violation of due process, failure to state ultimate facts, and the alleged double standard with regards to the impeachment against the president vis-a-vis the impeachment against the vice president, no? So on that note, at least consistent naman sila. Yung laman ng answer at yung demeanor nila ngayon
Is the same.
of not participating in the hearing on the grounds of alleged unconstitutionality, I think consistent sila sa position nila. But to your question, Tony, anong mangyayari considering the information that they will not be participating in the hearing, at least for tomorrow, no? I don't know about the subsequent hearings, no? What the Justice Committee will do is to simply proceed to hearing the impeachment complaints, no? So kagaya ng nasabi ko na in the previous interviews, tomorrow is supposed to be our first schedule for the hearing proper. So, i-address natin yung tatlong pending matters before the committee. One is Congressman Chel Jokno's request for issuance of subpoena of AMLA documents, ombudsman documents, and NBI documents, no? We will be addressing as well the petition of Congressman Chel Jokno for protective custody of witness Ramil Madriaga. And then if one of the Kongs will raise about the alleged conflict of interest with regards to the entry of appearance of Attorney Bonsayak and Attorney Poa, possibly i-address din natin yan. And then if the complainant is ready tomorrow to proceed to the presentation of her evidence, we can start also the presentation of her evidence.
But since wala naman silang participation, pwede nang skip yung portion na yun. Wala nang presentation of the defense evidence.
Well, we will continue to send notices every time there are hearings to the respondent. Again, this is our ample compliance to the requirement of due process. No, what is important is for the committee to be able to show that the requirement of due process was fully complied with. Sumunod po tayo sa requirement ng due process. However, sila po ang ayaw mag-participate, no? We are giving them the opportunity to participate in the hearing, to counter the evidence of the complainant. But again, if they will not be availing of this opportunity, that is their prerogative, that is their option, that is their choice. So, nakakalungkot lang, Tony and Rika, kasi ang tagal na nito. The allegations on confidential fund, the allegations on having contracted an assassin to kill the president, the first lady and the former speaker, the allegations on unexplained wealth. Kailan pa ba to? 2024 pa, no? Tapos, we failed to proceed to trial during the first impeachment proceeding because it was lamentably declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court, no? Tapos, nandito na ulit tayo. We are following the requirement of the Supreme Court. Ito ang gusto ng Supreme Court, di ba?
Tama.
Magkaroon muna ng evaluation ng evidence, be it through an investigation, through a hearing proper. Ang mahalaga na pag-aralang mabuti ng mga congressman or justice members, to be specific, yung evidence which will be presented by the complainant, and same is true with regards to the evidence which will be presented by the respondent, before we transmit. Di ba ito yung ini-emphasize talaga ng Supreme Court to give ample due process to the respondent, and we've been very compliant in as far as the requirement of due process is concerned. And I don't understand really kung bakit from the end of the Vice President may issue pa ng unconstitutionality, may issue pa ng violation of due process.